Hi, this is Dan from Cash4Cars. What you're looking at here is a 1995 Holden Commodore Berlina. Very good looking car with the big V8 in it. Tow bar. Been well looked after, this car. Nice ROH alloys. Got the tints. Come in here, you can see it all. Heaps of registration. 95 Holden Commodore, 5.0 Berlina. Better make sure there's a V8 under here. Looks like a V8 to me. Awesome. Have a look inside. You can see here, got a warrant till February next year. Not due for a service till 216Ks. She's done 208 at the moment. Here's your dash. Alpine CD player. Aircon controls. Auto model. Electrics. Twin airbagged. Sunroof as well. Good looking and very popular car. We got an amp down here. So I hope that gives everyone an insight with this virtual tour. And at Cash4Cars we also buy cars. So feel free to jump on our website, which is www.cash4cars.co.nz, where you find it's very simple to fill our online form in and send it through, and I'll be able to come back to you with what we can give you for your old car you no longer want. This is Dan from Cash4Cars. Good luck and happy bidding.